Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make the closet door close properly. So this closet, it's not opening. The bottom, it's swallowed. And I tried, I will show you now, with a sandpaper, a video, also this one, but not that much. So the bottom thing, it's swallowed, it's curved. I don't know how to take it out, so I will try a quick fix. A video was suggesting to do this. If it's a slight, you see, you hold the door and you close it, but it's not working. So what will I do? I will take the door off and I will use this, a special tool, a wood file. I will need the hammer to take the door out and some pliers and the screwdriver just in case I need it. This is my daughter's room. Perfect. Okay. Let me see. I will use this. So the sandpaper doesn't work. It will take me approximately like 15 minutes. Okay. I know what I need because I already done this with the doors. Okay, so we need to take out the door. So it will hang on there, okay. Okay, that's loosen. This one doesn't. Oh God. One screw. This doesn't want to come out. Now I think it will. Come on. Okay. I will hold, it's coming out. And the one in the top. Okay, that's easy. So, where? It's exactly in the middle. The door won't come down. Okay. So I took out the bolts. Where should I put the door? Alright, so where to put the door? I have a stepper inside the door, inside the closet. So I will have to hoover at the end. I think we are okay. So the process is slavery. You have to file all the extra thing because I don't know how to take out the bottom of the closet. So I will take out some wood from here. I think it's only something like this needed. If you have a grinder, that would be perfect. But this is the cheapest way. Oh my God. That's all the wood chip. This tool is like 2-3 euro in any tool shop. Oh god. Okay. Let's see. I'm all wet. For the other door I won't show you I'm all dirty. I will show you only how it opens now and how I need the bolts and how it will work at the end after I file it. Let me. When you have two persons here, it's already, from what I see, it looks better. No. That's in, and also this one. Come on. I have oil, grease. Up. It's perfect. I still have, I can feel something, but just a little. I think this is solvable with the screws. I will loosen the screws at the bottom, the middle and the bottom. And I think everything is just, yes, perfect. Ooh, finally. Let me show you from. Okay, so here is very swollen in the middle. Now you can, as you can see, here is perfect, and also down here. And yeah, so this is the top. These are the top screws. You tighten this as much as you can, and you loosen this in the middle and in the bottom. This is what I've done at the end when it was touching slightly. And now, perfect. And I will have to do also this one. Let me see if you can hear. I will do the same. Up, it's okay, it doesn't touch anything, even if we have the hanger. So I will need to repeat the process again. I will show you, I will pause the video now, and I will come back at the end. I continue now just for a few seconds. As you can see, I took down the door, and we repeat the process in here. I will do just at the end. I will show you now how much I filed also from this door. And I will just use the sandpaper and put it back, and hopefully everything gets like with the other one. I'll come back. And after a lot of work and a lot of wood chip, I finished. The doors are both closing just fine. This one the same. Okay, and also the other one. And that's it. See you and bye bye.